run my new boat a little bit and cruise up and down the lake and catch me a brim or two. Got some crickets. This is a 15-foot Duracraft with a 30-horse Evinrude on it. It is a beast and a hell of a motor for a little old light John boat. But it is a lot of fun. I'm enjoying it. Just got it. Dad bought it and then informed me that I was buying it. So it's kind of how me and my dad do things. But anyway, yeah, it's I don't know, June the 17th or 16th or something. About 80 degrees. Been tearing the brim up in all these lakes up here in the mountains of western North Carolina. They're, you know, they're off and on to bed, and it's just finally got warm and summertime, you know. And it's about noon, 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now. And I was just sitting at the house and got bored and said, shoot, I'm gonna go run my boat. So y'all stay with me. Sitting here trying to hit the kill switch, but it's an electric start, not a kill switch. Used to be the kill switch. Anyway, this is a sweet ass boat, I'll tell you that. Now, fishing oh, I'm just gonna let it drag in this bush, I reckon. Maybe stop me from this wind. They ain't gonna hurt nothing. No, there ain't no big wasp nest in there. I don't think there is. Anyway, fishing the cricket with a bobber stop, 8-9 foot deep. This water's deep right here. It don't look like it. This water's probably 20 feet deep right here. 10-foot brim buster pole. Oh, yeah. Little red breast. I'm gonna keep a few. I got a I got the big fish basket there. It makes a good live well. Red breast. Yep. Swallowed it. He swallowed it. I just pull it off and get me another hook into a little rainbow here. See if I can get him in the, whoa! See if I can get him in the boat here. That thing's is fun to catch, boy. They good to eat too. Worry about here before I lift him up. Oh yeah, there he is. They are floppers though, I'll tell you that. They will flop on you like crazy. Okay. Got him. Decent brim there. That is a female red breast there. Long-eared sunfish. We got these are kind of hybridized. Some of them are obviously true red breast, but most of them it's kind of like a mix between long ears, green sunfish, and red breast. They all bed together though, I can tell you that. And I done caught them on the bed a bunch of times. They all bed together. There's some fish right here. I'm gonna sit right here until I catch them all. Tree Farm up there on top of that hill. Bream bed's right over yonder. People don't even know it. Y'all watch this. It's a pretty good one. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's a real good one. But Bream, I need to back out of there. Don't get too close. I'll run them off. They spook easy. This water up here, it's kind of stained right now, but it's clear as a bell compared to most brim fishing water. You crappy old paper mouth. Oh, paper mouth. He got a tasty fillet on him. Yeah, that's got 8 inches in it. That's what she said. Trying to catch this little snake here, not catch him, but see what he is. Me and little man seen him out here the other day. I thought it was a copperhead, but it's one of them banded water snakes, I think. Yeah, it's just an old water snake. Oh, water snake. Oh, yes, I did all right. Probably a 20-30 brim. Just 3 crappies and 1 little bass, a couple trout. Did pretty good. Pretty good. That's more than I want to clean, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna run the gas out of my new boat here and get it on the trailer and get it home. Appreciate y'all watching my videos. Sorry I don't put out more videos than I do, but I just ain't got time in life, you know what I'm saying. Cool. Peace.